Hello everyone, welcome to Shanding Group. We are mini excavator manufacturer and direct seller. Today I introduce you our mini excavator model SD13E. This excavator overall weight have 1 ton and this length have 2.880 meter and this height have 0.930 meter and this height have 2.190 meter. This excavator have maximum digging height have 2.750 meter and maximum digging depth have 1.450. This bolt hydraulic cylinder with high excavation force. All material are magnetic steel material, standardized design and suitable for attach more function. This excavator operation are very easy and smooth that successfully complete your task. These seats are also very comfortable and very safety. This price are very affordable and we can ship worldwide. If you need mini excavator, just contact with us. Thank you everyone.